Hello, crafters and artisans, and welcome back to Psychedelic Squid Fiber Arts. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple beaded yarn or orifice hook. My design might not win any awards, but it's one anyone can do and it's super easy to customize. The supplies you'll need are 18 gauge wire, you'd like something more stiff or reluctant to bend, wire cutters, round nose pliers, large beads with small holes from like a string, and optionally you might also want some small decorative beads for your hook. To start, cut a length of wire about 2 to 2.5 times the width of your palm. Using the round nose pliers, make a small loop on the very end to act as a stopper for the beads. Next, feed your beads onto the wire in the desired order. I like to use small beads at the end so it kind of narrows. And I'm using small decorative beads in between the larger agate beads because I like the design and the sparkle. Add as many beads necessary for it to span the full width of your palm. Once you've got all the beads you need on there, fold the wire down so it puts pressure on the last bead you placed and tightens up all the beads on the handle. After bending it like so, use your rounded nose pliers to create a small semicircle at the bend point. If your beads were still a little loose, you can bend this semicircle away from the midline to create more tension like I'm doing here. Once it's snug, fold the wire back towards the original bend to create a little S shape. I'm going to squeeze my S from the top and the bottom to squish it together a little, and then I'm going to straighten the remainder of the wire. I'm still not quite happy with the tension on the beads, so I'm tightening it up again here, and I'm squishing the S shape down some more and straightening the remainder of the wire. For the final touch, I'm going to curve the very end into a little hook using my round nose pliers. And there you go, a beautiful little hook to get started on your spinning journey. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments section below. And thank you so much for exploring the depths of your creativity with me, and I'll see you next time.